you may be asking, how can I use this traffic source if I'm on a limited budget? And I'm glad that you asked that question because that's exactly what we are here to show you using some simple math and my special OPM formula. So, finally, I want to show you how to use the OPM formula to get over 25,000 leads in 6 months without needing a big budget. So, what is OPM? OPM stands for other people's money, and the way we scale our business to get as many leads as we want is just by reinvesting what we initially earned. Let me show you an example of how we scale with OPM. So let's say our goal is to get 25,000 leads within 6 months. This is our goal. And to achieve this goal, we are going to make a few assumptions. The first assumption is that we have a traffic budget of $3,000. The second assumption is that the cost per click of getting a visitor to our website is $1. So that means every person who visits our website, that will cost us $1. Then the third assumption that we are making is that we get an opt-in rate of 50%. I've seen many opt-in pages which do 40, 45%, 50%, and even 60%. So 50% is a good estimate of what we can get. And the fourth assumption that we are going to make is that the earnings per click of the offer that we are going to promote on the thank you page is going to give us a $1 EPC. What that means is that if we have 1,000 people who visit our opt-in page and 500 people subscribe and see our offer on the thank you page, it will be worth $500 to us. So that will be $500 for 500 people who saw the offer on the thank you page, giving us an EPC of $1 per visitor. And just to give you some proof that these are not numbers that I'm just making up, here are a few screenshots to show you the kind of EPCs that I have been able to generate. Here's one offer which has generated $1.396 EPC. Here's another offer which has also generated $1.396 EPCs. And here's another screenshot showing an EPC of more than $1 for over 8,000 clicks. So it's not just that we have been able to produce an EPC of more than $1 for like 100 or 200 clicks, but it's for over 8,000 clicks. And the fifth assumption that we are going to make is that each subscriber on your email list will be worth $1 per month. Now, this is a standard metric, and a lot of people in the industry make more than it, a lot of people make less than it, but this is the standard metric. And it depends a lot on how you're emailing your list and the kind of results that you're able to produce. We'll speak about a few factors later on, but if you see these screenshots from my autoresponder account, you will see for most of the emails, I've been able to generate a click through rate of more than 5%. So, even if we were to assume that we generate a click through rate of 3% and we are sending 2 emails a day, so for a 10,000 person list at a 3% CTR, it will be 300 clicks, and 2 emails a day will give us 600 clicks. So, in 30 days, it's 18,000 clicks. And with 18,000 clicks, if you're able to produce even 50 cents EPCs, which I just showed you, that we can generate an EPC of more than $1, then it comes to a total of $9,000 for a 10,000 person list. So that's very close to $1 per subscriber. But it depends on a lot of factor, and we can do a lot of things to improve this number as well. So we are going to assume that one subscriber is going to be worth $1 per month. So now let us see how we can get 25,000 leads in 6 months with these assumptions and using the three-step process we just went through. So now let's look at the first month. We buy 3,000 clicks with our $3,000 traffic budget at $1 CPC. Those 3,000 people visit our opt-in page, and at a 50% opt-in rate, we are able to generate 1,500 leads. Those 1,500 people see the offer on our thank you page, and at a $1 EPC, we were able to generate a one-time revenue of $1,500. Now, since we generated 1,500 leads, those 1,500 leads receive daily automated emails from us, and they will be worth $1 per month. So, at the end of the first month, we are able to create a revenue of $1,500 per month plus a one time revenue of $1,500 from the thank you page offer. So, at the end of the first month, in total, we have generated a revenue of $1,500. $1,500 from the leads that we had, and $1,500 one time from the thank you page offer. So, in total, that's $3,000. And now we are going to reinvest that $3,000 back into our system. So let's look at what happens during month two. So in month two, we take the $3,000 that we earned during the first month and we reinvest it into traffic. So again, with the $3,000, we buy 3,000 clicks at a $1 CPC. We send those 3,000 clicks to our opt-in page, and again, at a 50% opt-in rate, we get 1,500 leads. Those 1,500 leads see the offer on the thank you page, and again, we generate a revenue of $1,500 from the 1,500 people who see the offer on the thank you page. Now, those 1,500 leads also get added to our email list. We already had 1,500 leads from month 1, and now in month 2, we have added another 1,500 leads. So that's a total of 3,000 leads, and we'll be emailing those 3,000 leads daily, and that will create a revenue of $3,000 per month from those 3,000 leads. So in total, at the end of month 2, we have created a revenue of $3,000 per month and earned a one-time income of $1,500 from the offer that we promote on the thank you page. So in total, that's $4,500 in revenue that we have generated at the end of month 2, which we are again going to reinvest. So coming to month 3, we take the $4,500 we earned during month 2 and reinvest it back into traffic. That $4,500 gives us 4,500 clicks. We send it to the opt-in page, and at a 50% opt-in rate, it gives us 2,250 leads. Those 2,250 leads see the offer on the thank you page and generate a revenue of $2,250 at a $1 EPC, and our list size grows by 2,250 subscribers. So that's a total of 5,250 subscribers, giving us a revenue stream of $5,250 per month. So at the end of the third month, we have created a revenue stream of $5,250 per month, plus a one-time income of $2,250 from the thank you page offer. So that's a total of $7,500, which we are going to reinvest into month 4. So coming to month 4, we take the $7,500 we earned during month 3 and reinvest it into traffic at $1 CPC. That gives us 7,500 clicks at $1 CPC. We send it to the opt-in page, and at a 50% opt-in rate, we get 3,750 leads. Those 3,750 people first see the offer on the thank you page, and at a $1 EPC, we're able to generate $3,750. Those 3,750 leads also get added to our email list, and we get a total of 9,000 leads on our email list, which is worth $9,000 per month. So at the end of month 4, we have created a total revenue stream of $9,000 per month, plus a one time income of $3,750 from the thank you page offer. So now let's do a quick recap of what has happened till now at the end of month 4. So we bought $7,500 worth of traffic at $1 CPC, which gave us 7,500 clicks. We sent that 7,500 clicks to our squeeze page, which gave us 50% opt-in rate. That gave us 7,550 new subscribers, which led to a one-time income of $3,750 from the thank you page offer. Plus, those 3,750 new subscribers would be worth $3,750 per month. Plus, we had 2,250 subscribers from month 3, which was worth $2,250 per month, plus 1,500 subscribers from month 2, which was worth $1,500 per month, plus another 1,500 subscribers from month 1, which was worth $1,500 per month. Thus, at the end of month 4, we are able to create an income of $9,000 per month, plus a one time income of $3,750 from the thank you page. So, now let's look at month 5. We take that $12,750 that we earned at the end of month 4 and reinvest it back into traffic, and that gives us 12,750 clicks at $1 EPC. We send it to the opt-in page. That gives us 6,375 leads at a 50% opt-in rate. Those 6,375 people see the offer on the thank you page, and we generate a revenue of $6,375 at a $1 EPC. Those leads also get added to our email list, and our email list grows to 15,375 leads in total, which should be worth $15,375 per month in recurring income. So at the end of the 5 months, we have created a total income of $15,375 per month, plus a one time income of $6,375 from the thank you page offer. Now let's look at month 6. Again, the same thing. We reinvest the $21,750 that we earned at the end of month 5 into traffic, and we get 21,750 clicks at a $1 CPC. We send those clicks to an opt-in page, and at a 50% opt-in rate, we get 10,875 leads. Those leads see the offer on the thank you page, and at a $1 EPC, we are able to generate $10,875. Again, those leads gets added to our email list, and now we have an email list of 26,250 leads, which should be worth $26,250 per month. So at the end of month 6, we are able to finally get over 25,000 leads and create a revenue of $26,250 per month, plus a one time income of $10,875 from the thank you page offer. Now think about this. At this point, you have invested only $3,000 of your own money and reinvested whatever you made over a 6 month period to create a $26,250 per month residual income and get 26,250 leads on your email list. So, this is exactly how we get over 25K leads and scale to a six figure per year income using the OPM method. And now let's just see what happens if we were to continue this for 12 months. At the end of month 7, our income would be $44,812 per month and $18,562 one time income from the thank you page offer. At the end of month 8, it would be $76,499 per month and $31,687 one time income. At the end of month 9, it will be $130,592 per month and $54,093 one time. At the end of month 10, it would be $222,934 per month and $92,342 one time. At the end of month 11, it would be $315,276 per month and $157,638 one time. And at the end of month 12, it will be $551,733 per month and $236,457 one time. Now, this may sound too good to be true for you, but what if you did just 10% as well? Anyone with half decent effort can do 10% as well. That would still be worth $55,173 per month, which is more than $600,000 per year and over 50,000 leads on your email list. Heck, what if you did just 1% as well? Even at 1%, it would still be worth $5,517 per month, which is more than $60,000 per year and over 5,000 leads on your email list. So, this is exactly how you can scale your business to over six figures a year and get as many leads as you want without needing a big budget.